This is the walnut facility. As you can see, the walnuts are peeled here. The walnuts are wet, it will go to the dryer. The peeled walnuts are coming to the dryer. This is the MX series. It has 3 stages. So we will see the top floor of this machine now. Peeled walnuts are coming here. We are using conveyor belts and it's coming to the dryers. We have 4 dryers here and these are already drying, and as you can see we are loading the 3rd dryer now. This walnuts are coming and it will dry in 24-36 hours. See our dryers from below. They are stacked upon each other. There are 3 stages. The wet ones are on the upside, the middle ones are semi-dried, and the lower ones are the dried ones. When the drying process is finished between 24-36 hours, we are having the walnuts from this conveyor belt to the waiting area on the other side. When the drying process is finished, the walnuts are coming here to the waiting area. From the waiting area, we will separate the walnuts with this machine, which separates the bad walnuts. Here we have the bad walnut separator machine. After the separation, the healthy walnuts goes to the separator machine. It separates the sizes of the walnuts. So when this machine is finished, as you can see, the walnuts are ready for the sale, and you can see the quality of the walnuts after the sizing, like this. We have also cracking machines. After this process, you can use the cracking machines also.